Alright, we've had some really bad cold weather, and let me show you what's going on with my washer. You see it? Alright, so we're going to have to get in there and see what's going on. Alright, so let's turn this back off. Alright. Before we do anything with this dryer, let's make sure it's unplugged. First thing we got to do is take the top off here. Alright, once you do that, you take it and you pull back and up, and there you go. Look, okay, you can see right there the solenoid is cracked. So we'll have to get online and order another one of those. Not sure about this one, but I'm going to order another one. That's the hot water, and this is the cold water solenoid. They're about 35, 40 bucks each. So I'm going to buy one of each just to make sure. And they're fairly easy to change out, just a couple of screws. So let me go in and order it, and then finish this video up once I get it in. I'm going to show you something real quick that's back here. You see this little plug in here? This little plug actually pulls out. It's actually a screen. Let me see if I can get this in this shot. It's actually a screen to help sediment from not getting in. So, and I've got bad sediment. I'm on a well. So I clean those out regularly. I suggest if you have, when you check yours out too, pull them out and just clean them off and then put them back in. First thing we have to do is take off these wires from the solenoids, and all you do is take it and gently pull off the two solenoids. Next thing you have to do is take off these black hoses right here, and all you need are some needle nose pliers for that. If you don't have needle nose, a regular set of pliers should work. Ah, there you go. Now you're going to get some water that comes out of it because I didn't drain it all off. So, alright, then try to get the other one. Okay, I'm just having a little bit of trouble getting the ring off. There we go. Now, just use it, twist it a little bit, and pull, and it comes off. Alright, the next thing we need to do is take the solenoid off of the washing machine. Okay, so now we're going to take out this screw and that screw. Make sure not to lose the screws. And it slides right out. And here's the one with the crack right there. Put that aside. And you'll notice this one comes with the screen in it that I talked about earlier. You put this part back in. So now it's time to hook this and these hoses back up to that solenoid. These go on just as they came off. They just slide right up and on. Take these hoses and push them on using these right here. Hold on to them. And we'll do them both at the same time. My daddy used to tell me, wiggle it just a little bit. Not sure if he came up with that or not. Alright, so it's plugged back up. What we're going to do now is hook the water hose back onto it and see if it leaks. There doesn't seem to be any water leakage at the solenoid. You'll do the hot water one the same exact way. So first off, we're going to take this off, and we're going to take off the hose. Now we've checked both of these solenoids prior to this. We knew that the water was leaking out of them. So and then we'll take it out and we'll replace it with a new one. Okay, now the hot water's connected up, and let's see if it leaks. Okay, the hot water and the cold water are both on. There are no leaks. It's good to put the top back on, and we can run a cycle. All right, let's start moving this sucker back. All right, now it's probably best to rebalance it since you've moved it out of the place it was.